So you want to watch the Formula 1. This video is going to show you how to do exactly that at the best price possible. Now if you've watched my other video, you'll find that I recommend ServusTV. However, I've had a lot of complaints that it's in German, and I have found a solution for you. Now, I still recommend ServusTV, as it's still one of the best services around. If you can accept that, you need to watch it with German commentary. Now, for this method to still work, as we can see here, you simply go onto the website, click into it with your VPN on, and then you'll be able to watch it live and exclusively, completely free. Now, you still will need a VPN to watch the Grand Prix for free. I have always recommended NordVPN, but some people have said it's too dear, so I've been looking for a cheaper alternative. But I didn't want to recommend anything what doesn't work or is a little, quite frankly, rubbish. And that's when I stumbled upon PrivadoVPN. I've tested it out over the last few weeks, and everything I use NordVPN for, Privado works perfectly just the same. However, the price is much cheaper, so I'm happy to recommend it from now on. You'll find a link in the description. These are the regular prices, what you're seeing on screen now. However, if you click that link, you'll get an extra bonus, because I contacted Privado and asked will they do a deal for my listeners, and they provided me this link. So you should get a better price by using the link in the description below or the pinned comment. So once we've connected to our VPN in Austria, you head to ServusTV and you should be able to watch all the Grand Prix for free. However, if you want English channels, then let's head over to the Wikipedia here. This is all the live TV schedule. Now there's a little more work involved in this. However, if you come down, as you can see here, Austria, there's our ServusTV, and it's telling you here that it's all free. But if we come down and we look for an English channel, so if we come down to the Canadian one, which will be an English commentary, if you go to CTN, it'll show only the Canadian Grand Prix for free, as you can see here at the end. So when the Canadian Grand Prix is on, we can come to this TV network, and most of these TV networks, what I'm recommending, do have a website where you can watch directly from. So let's come down, and let's say we go to the United States here. So let's say we go to the United Kingdom, where I am, and you can see Channel 4, and you can watch it directly on their website. But it only has the Grand Prix in Britain. So you'll be able to then use the Channel 4 website to watch the British Grand Prix. If we look just underneath, in the United States, ABC. And I know they also can be watched directly through the website. And at the end here, you'll be able to watch the Miami, the Monaco, the Canadian, the US, and the Mexican Grand Prix, all completely free. However, unlike ServusTV, their commentary will be in English. It's a little more involved, and checking up on this page here if there's anyone showing it with English commentary. However, that's the only solution unless you pay a premium subscription, which will cost you a lot of money. So I hope that updated video helps you out. If it does, smash the like, and don't forget to check that cheaper VPN by Privado in the link in the description below for your exclusive deal.